welcome back to my channel. I have a super fun surprise for you guys. I'm going to be actually posting multiple videos this week just because I am celebrating the relaunch of the vegan bundle, which I'll talk about in 1 second. But I also just have like a few videos that I've been meaning to get out for you guys. So just make sure you keep an eye on my channel this week because I have a video going up pretty much every day and they're all really fun. So today I am showing you 3 vegan sauce recipes. So the first recipe is actually from my vegan sauces ebook. It's called Saucy and it's just a mini ebook with 16 recipes, and I am using it today because it is a part of the vegan bundle, which just relaunched. So the vegan bundle is a collection of ebooks from all your favorite YouTubers and Instagrammers, and we got together and bundled 90 of our ebooks together for a special price of $50 only until February 7th. So it is an amazing deal. I have gotten like hundreds of messages of people who are so happy with it and who have been inspired by the bundle, and I also was super inspired by it. I bought it when it was on sale back in January, and they decided to bring it back for a quick little relaunch for all the people who missed it. So if you guys missed out on it, definitely get it because it's only available for a few days and then after that it's gone forever. But you guys need to act on it fast because it's going to be over in a couple days. So yeah, like I said, my Saucy ebook is in it, and then my new Zero Waste Beginner's Guide ebook is in it as well. So 2 ebooks. Normally both of those together would cost $35, but for $50 you can get 90 ebooks. So it's so crazy. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you get it, the link is below. That is everything for me right now, so let's get into the video. I hope it was helpful for you. I'll actually put a card in the top corner of this screen. Just click the little eye with some of my other sauce related videos. But if you guys are interested in checking out my sauce ebook, I highly suggest getting the vegan bundle because it's such a good deal. You literally get so many vegan recipes and so much good information for only $50. So the link for that is below, but I can also link my sauce ebook if you guys are interested in just getting that one. So yeah, that is everything for me today. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you soon.